ready to go and find some waterfalls. Yeah! We are off to go and find some waterfalls. We are going to the Huddersfield Canal, and Archie reckons he'll be jumping in the waterfall.
Of course I am.
Find out when we get there.
I can never put the belt thing.
Ta-da!
Not me struggling with the belt. Oh, give me a key.
Voila! This is today's object. 6.3 kilometers. Oh look, it's a Mario!
It's a me, Matt.
Mario!
There's only one way, and it's down.
Ta-da! I'm guessing it's down that way, down the canal. You've reached your destination, missus.
Thanks.
Did I drive well?
Oh yeah, really good.
Yeah. Hi.
You were good.
You wearing that to go? Where's your barriers? Let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Do it. Do it.
You ready to find some waterfalls?
Yay! Woo! What a fake smile.
You getting nervous now?
Yes.
Yeah?
I'm going to push my limits and I'm going to go in for at least a minute.
We'll just feel it, yeah?
Hopefully.
You don't have to go in if you don't want to.
I know.
There's ice up there.
Where?
Alright, it ignores me like. We found it here. Are you coming down then?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all steps down. I'll just walk over here on my own though first
Don't slip in.
and see what it's like over here. Wearing Uggs as well, like. I'll try and climb over this bit to it first. Oh. Should have worn better trainers than this year. Try and get over there. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no, I didn't know it was like that! Oh no! My Uggs! I've just ruined my Uggs! Oh no! Oh my, have you seen my Uggs? Oh, I didn't know it was all shit like that. I'm fuming. Oh, I can't believe it. Here's a waterfall anyway.
That's disgusting. That's dog poo. It looks like shit. Smells. You have to wear them while you get in there and give them a little wash.
What do you think about this?
I'm so silly.
Speechless.
Yeah, she's not impressed.
Right, let's go to the top bit of the waterfall now.
So lads walking it.
See if that's any better.
So lads walking it.
This way.
Ice!
Oh, and this on the top here.
It's like a vacuum. Oh, that's so cool.
That's it. What? Hey, you want to watch it go down the waterfall?
Sorry, my dog will warrior.
Look at the waterfall! Oh! Do you like it? Oh, I have to walk around. My feet are freezing on this ice. People look at me daft. It's freezing. Oh, I can't stand in that. It's deep. Fuck it, yeah. I'm just gonna have to jump and try and hold on to this. Here we go. makes you freezing, so whacking you. This still water here ain't that bad. That water pound you. Boom, boom, boom. I can't feel my body, mate. Go right down. I'm glad I done it. The way Archie could have done that, but then we'll see if you can do the still bit at the top though. On the still bit, Archie's turn. Oh, that's cold. You're not doing it. I can't feel my hands or my toes. I feel like I can go like that on my toe and it'll just break off my foot now. Time to go and get some hot chocolate, I think.
I'm gonna have a hot chocolate. I'm freezing now, I didn't even go in. I just watched.
You're cold like that. You're dressed all like that.
I'm literally in a sleeping bag.
Well, I can't feel my hands. She can't be bothered now.
Failed attempt at a dam.
At a dam?
You can tell that they didn't give a damn.
Here at the Four Horseshoes, they didn't have any food, but they had
food.
They had a pint for me. Cheers.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Cheers. I just felt happy.